Hey YouTube, it's Giovanni. So here I got my first dump truck over here. Or the first dump truck that company got almost 20 years ago. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you one of our other dump truck locations. These ones we keep at a storage facility. We got maybe 2 storage locations. We got what, three parking spots and then 1 storage unit. So coming back from a job, so the truck is actually not here yet, so I'm gonna have to pause right here. So yeah, we got it's a big chipper dump truck. It's specifically made for tree trimmers, tree trimming companies. And well, just here I'll show you around the dump truck. One of my favorite vehicles is like, and it also has the price tag of a sports car as well. So hope you enjoy this part. Hey YouTube, it's Giovanni. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. So today I'm going to show you our big chipper dump truck. Thing's a beast. The inside's kind of a mess right now. So I'll kind of show you how it looks right here. So sticker price is about $80,000. As you can see right here, the tire's like 4 feet tall. I'm 6 foot tall, so like half my size, 3.5 feet. And then there's our chipper, which is somewhere around 50,000. We got the Bandit Intimidator 15XP series PC, 15XPC, like the Raccoon. That's cool. The big motor in here, protected. Let's see if I can get a quick view up here. So when this truck gets filled up, it's an easy 10 grand right there. You can go over sometimes. As you see, we just did a job right now. We got some trash ready. We do multiple jobs sometimes. So after taxes and insurance and everything, it's probably about $150,000 altogether. So it's a big beast. But the jobs you can pull out are pretty cool. All the jobs that you could do, all the work you can handle, and you put in the big pieces of tree in here, it mulches it all up. Let's see if I get some video on that. As you can see, it's like probably 14 feet tall. Yes, thank you YouTube. Want more videos of the truck? I'll try to get some in action. All right, like and subscribe. Thank you.